Experimental techniques in the current situation, as I experience it, are underrated in the development process of high-tech equipment. That's, I think, mainly due to the fact that people believe that modeling can do it all. But we know that that is not true. I'm Pieter Nuij. I'm one of the trainers of the course Experimental Techniques in Mechatronics. I'm a self-employed consultant. I do consultancy in system dynamics, not only talking about the field, but also taking measurements, do the processing, and advising on, for example, how to change the dynamics behavior of a high-tech system. You can think about electron microscopes as in the dynamics behavior of high-tech equipment. My drive as a teacher is to get my knowledge across to the younger generation. I accumulated it during 40 years, and I think that in the present situation, this field needs to be continued to the next generation. So I want to get my knowledge across. And for me, the best satisfaction is that I see the younger generation, as I call it, they see the coins dropping. In Dutch, het kwartje vallen. You see suddenly the enlightenment, yes, now I understand. That's for me the best in teaching.